So I've just sat around all day looking all sorts of ugly, and yeah, time for me to get ready. Essentials. We've got the full, almost, Merit lineup for today. So I got the new brush to go with my everyday concealer cover up, and then eyebrows, lips, and then just a little bit of, you know, the extras. You know what, completely off topic here. I need y'all's help. So I've been wanting to do like the cute chunky loafer with socks. So I went and got socks today because Austin's always telling me that I don't have tall socks because my ankles get cold. Well, here we go. But I can't find a pair I really want that's not like $200. And I would really like a pair for Paris, or should I wait and splurge and buy a pair in Paris? I can't decide. Because it would be nice to have them like all worn in and nice and comfortable so I could wear them all the time. But like, we love a good like shopping day on vacation. So I don't know. But anyways, I'll bring these with me. I guess on our trip if I don't find any before then. But if you know of some nice leather chunky loafers, send them my way. Also, y'all, the stand I got going on right now is hilarious. Anyways, yeah, I had to change. I had to get this ready before I could get my hair ready today. But it's so staticky out. Today's actually the first time we've had like true sunshine in a while, and it's like majorly, it's been needed. Last week it was like gloomy and gross all day every day, and it was just like affecting my mood so bad, like at work and just at home, and I needed it. That like seasonal gloom has gone harder for me every year, and last week I was like, I'm just like sad for no reason. So really glad to have some sunshine today. But yeah, what else? Let's see. Yeah, I don't think I ever like actually told you guys, but we are less than 1 month out, and it was almost like kind of spontaneous, as in like not planned like 4 months in advance. I'm literally panting. But I booked us a trip to Paris, which if you know, you know. It's like my dream destination. Like, I was that 7-year-old that had the Paris bedroom. What can I say? And I just like, I'm so excited. I've booked Versailles. I've booked a really nice dinner for us at Le Tremblay. And yeah, it's actually the longest vacation that the two of us have ever taken together, like just us two. And I'm just so excited to get out of this country. Honestly, whole country. Maybe we won't come back, we'll see. Or we'll come back and then we'll have to pack our bags and just move. But I'm so excited. I know it'll be like gloomy and coldish there, but I don't care when I'm on vacation. I mean, like, I care when I'm on vacation, but like, that's not gonna hold me back from like going out and doing things, unlike when I'm at home. So stay tuned. Y'all know I'm gonna do a vlog. I always say that about trips and then I don't, but like, I'm doing a vlog. Also, hope I'm not too loud right now. Austin texted me and he's upstairs and he said, I'm gonna take a nap. But I feel like I'm being kind of loud down here. Also, you know, I was just thinking about this, like, maybe the reason I've always been so drawn to Europe and stuff is like, I have like very close genealogy, genetic roots compared to a lot of people here in America to Europe. I'm literally like half German, and not even like super long ago. So maybe it's just like in me that like the lifestyle I need is like a little different than where we're at now. Ew. Y'all, I haven't curled my hair. I went on for a long time without curling my hair. Oops. Got my hair cut, and now I'm curling it again, so we love that. Doing this right. Sometimes I forget how to curl my hair when I haven't done it in a while. My cutie Valentine's flowers from Austin. Like, how precious are these? And like the little daisies. Killing it. Okay, hair set. Now I really need to do my makeup because we have to leave soon. Like, good lord. Should I get like filler here? Like, would that make me look better? I'm not even tired. Whatever, we love it. Okay, you know the deal. Quick, easy eyeshadow, nude cream, just to soften and brighten. Little bit of the gold on the middle. Ta-da. And then primer, mascara. Okay, eyes check. Today's video is actually sponsored again by Merit Beauty. I'm in love. So this time they sent me their brush number 1. It's their blending brush, which is used for this guy, which I shared in the last video. So very excited to try these together instead of using my finger. Wonder why they sent me this. But so it says to use after applying the Minimalist, this guy. Move the brush lightly upward and outward to buff into skin. If needed, use it to seamlessly blend out additional products after applying. So like, I'd say like a liquid blush or something. But I'm gonna keep this for one thing, and then if I decide I need it, oh my gosh, it's so soft. You guys, it's so soft. Everything is just so nice and aesthetic, and like, my beauty drawer is looking really beautiful right now. And then the next one they sent me is their signature lippy. It's a lightweight lipstick. I went with the color Baby, and this is like my absolute go-to. It's like a nude color with a touch of like mauves. It's really like the color of my lips, but like better. And then it's just like, see, maybe it's a little browner, but I'm so excited to use it. And of course, all their stuff, again, so beautiful. Love all the details and their marketing and branding. It's just so good, and it always leaves my skin feeling so good. So thank you, Merit, for sponsoring this and sponsoring my beauty drawer, because we all know we could all use a little help with clean beauty. It's probably so loud. Austin just got up to take a shower, so I'm just gonna do, you know, I guess I'm not gonna talk anymore while I do the rest of my makeup. It's amazing. It's amazing. We're ready. Not me wearing my most distressed pants to a nice dinner tonight. Those rules don't apply anymore, ladies, just so you know. Yeah, little double OTD. But yeah, I'm obsessed with this lip color. It's like the perfect everyday. We love it. It's almost like you guys thought I wouldn't get kitty cat content. Say hi, Maui. Oh my gosh. Like, Maui got out of the house. Because it's been almost 2 weeks now. Yeah, he ran away. He's an indoor kitty. Yeah, hot mess. We found him in our neighbor's bush. Thank goodness. We don't know what we would do without the baby. Oh, sassy. Hey, this little man's afraid of the outdoors. We love that. Hi. You doing? Good boy, stretch. He found some sunshine. Anyways, thank God. Yeah, just a little update for you guys, you know. He's great, he was fine. It was just muddy and I was at work and whatever, we found him. Yeah, thanks for following along today. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. I hate saying that, but it's true. And if you want to follow along on more everyday-to-day stuff, follow me on Instagram. Bye, guys.